Starting with the second question, arrange in descending order. Now, children, we have studied something like this. When the denominators are same, then how do we compare? And when the numerators are same, how do we compare? Yes, when the denominators are same, big is big, small is small. But when the numerators are same, बिल्कुल उल्टा होता है उसका. Small is big and big is small. You remember when we studied fractions long ago in the lower classes? So when I'm going to repeat it once again. When the denominators are same, जब denominators same होते हैं तो बड़ा होता है. बड़ा मतलब the fraction जिसका numerator बड़ा है वो बड़ा होता है. fraction जिसका numerator छोटा होता है वो छोटा होता है. वो fraction भी छोटा होता है. but जब न्यूमरेटर सेम होते हैं तो जो फ्रैक्शन जिसका डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा होता है वो छोटा कहलाता है और फ्रैक्शन जिसका डिनोमिनेटर छोटा होता है वो बड़ा कहलाता है. यस, जस्ट उल्टा ऑफ दिस. सो नाउ you must be wondering why am I telling you this. क्योंकि यहाँ पर you can check whether you can make the numerator same or the denominator same. See, denominators not possible. You cannot multiply anything to 9 to make it 21. Though you can make here, but not with 9. But you see on the top, if you multiply both by 4, it will become what? 8. So you have made your numerators same. So going ahead, let's multiply the numerators by 4. We are multiplying the numerators, so obvious denominators also will be multiplied. Nothing will multiply. 36, 12. Now, you write the note here. What note? You all know the note. Here, you can see the note. When the numerators are same, then the fractions with smaller denominator, this will be with smaller denominator are considered bigger. उल्टा है ना, छोटा बड़ा हो जाता है और the fractions with bigger denominators are considered smaller. यानी बड़ा छोटा हो जाएगा, छोटा बड़ा हो जाएगा. तो here who is बड़ा? According to the note, 12 is bada, so this is the biggest. Then after this, 21 and then finally 36. है ना? So we have to write in descending order. So descending order will be so. सबसे बड़ा कौन है? 8/12 क्योंकि इसका डिनोमिनेटर छोटा है. फिर उससे बड़ा कौन है? 8/21 मतलब उससे छोटा कौन है? और फिर सबसे छोटा कौन कहलाएगा? जो कि जिसका डिनोमिनेटर सबसे बड़ा है. So 8/12 is actually 2/3. 8/21 is actually 8/21 only. And 8/36 is actually 2/9. So this is your answer. बहुत ज़्यादा calculation न करते हुए simple property of fraction use करते हुए you can do the solution like this.